On this video today, I'm going to show you a traffic source that you can use to make up to $700 per week, even if you're a beginner. So I'll be showing you step by step on everything that you need to know. You don't need any skills to do it. You don't need to invest any money in this particular strategy that I'm about to show you. I'm going to take you through a lot of steps, so make sure you watch this video till the end so that I can show you everything that you need to know. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that we are going to select a product so that we can promote it and make money on Clickbank. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, marketplace. So once you come here, you are going to click on it so that you can find a product to promote. So you just click on it right here. As you can see, once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. So you have to scroll down. As you scroll down, you can see the categories of the product. So you are going to scroll down to the weight loss category. So you are going to scroll down and then come right here. So here you are going to click on health and fitness so that you can find a weight loss product to promote. So you are going to click on the health and fitness. Once you click on the health and fitness, you are going to see a page like this. So as you scroll down, you can see different products that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one, Java Band. As I scroll, you can see this one, T-Band. On Clickbank, you can find a lot of different products. So you can come here and sort by gravity. So you just sort by the products that have higher gravity. So as you can see, this product is having the higher gravity in this particular category. So you can see the gravity here is over 1000, and that is the exit pure. So you can scroll down and then select any of the products that you want. Basically, you have to be selecting products with higher gravity. So you have to just scroll down and then select any of the products on this page. So I'm going to promote the first one right here, exit pure. So you are going to check the product landing page before you can decide to promote it. So you are going to just come here and then click on the product. So you click on it so that you can view how it looks like. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. This is the first page that the customer is going to see before they decide to purchase the product. So as you can see, a whole lot of different images and then information about the product. So as you scroll down, you can see many things. You can see that they have bonuses for those who buy the product. You can see bonus 1 and then the bonus 2. You can see these are the testimonies of people who bought the product before. So as you scroll, you can see many of them. So as you can see, they have given the customer the option to buy the number of bottles that he or she wants. So this one is the one bottle will cost $59. You can see 6 bottles will cost $39 per bottle. You can see 3 will cost $49 per bottle. So the customer will then decide which of them to choose. So any of the options that the customer chooses, you are going to be earning commission when they make a purchase. You can see this one. So when you come here, you can see that the commission rate is $149.55 per sale, as you can see it right here. So what we are going to do is that we are now going to begin promoting the products. So we are going to use an article to promote this product for free. We are not going to pay for anything. We are just going to use an article and publish it on a website that I'm about to show you, so that you can get people to read the article and then purchase the product. So we are going to be using this website, themilk.com. So as you can see it here, themilk.com. This is the website that we are going to be using to promote the product for free. When you scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of different posts on this particular website. So it's a very popular website that you can also use to promote your products for free. As you can see, different articles on this website. So now what you are going to do is that we are going to get a free PLR article so that we can publish it on the website and then drive traffic to our affiliate link. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come right here. You can see the product is about weight loss. So we are going to search for a weight loss article on this website so that we can use that article to promote the products. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down and come here. You are going to select a category. So we are going to select the health and fitness category, since our product is about health and fitness. So once you click on the health and fitness, you are going to find weight loss so that you can use that. So as you can see, this is weight loss. So you are going to click on that. So once you click on weight loss, you can see these are articles that you can use to promote the product. So as you can see, many of them, weight loss tips for women over 40. You can see 10 weight loss hacks. You can see 1 sure way to burn belly fat. So as I scroll, you can see different articles that you can use to promote the product. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So I prefer to use this one, 5 tips to lose weight naturally. So I'm going to use this article. So you are going to just click on it so that you can open the article. Once you open the article, you are not going to use it to promote your product. So you are going to come back to themilk.com. It's free to create an account. You are not going to pay for anything. You can create your accounts with your Facebook accounts. You can use your Google accounts to create an account. So it doesn't matter, whatever that you want, you can just enter your email and create a free account wherever you are in the world. Once you create an account and log in, you can see this is my account. You are going to come right here and then click on create post. So you just click on that. So once you click on create post, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is you are going to scroll down. Before you publish your article, you need to upload an image that you are going to be using in your article. So as you can see right here, so we are going to search for a weight loss image so that we can upload it onto this website. So we are going to come back to Google. Once you come back to Google, you are going to search for before and after weight loss photos. So before and after weight loss photos, so we are going to search for that. Now as you can see, there are a lot of them that you can use. You can see different images. So even if you come here and then click on images, you can find a whole lot of different images that you can use. So as you can see, a whole lot of them. So because we don't want to get into trouble using these images, so you are going to come here, click on tools. So once you click on tools, you are going to come here, the usage rights. So you are going to select that. Once you select that, you are going to select Creative Commons license. So you just select that. So as you can see, these are the images that you can use under the Creative Commons license. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So I'm going to use this particular image. As you can see, this one, I'm going to use this one. So you are going to just right click. Once you right click, you are going to save the image as. So you just click on save image as, so that you can save the image onto your PC. You can use any of the Creative Commons images. So as you can see right here, this is the image. So let me save it onto my PC. So you're just going to click on save. So we're going to name it and then click on save. So now that we have the image on my PC, the next thing is that we are going to upload it onto the website so that we can begin promoting our product. So you are going to come right here, just click on browse so that you can upload the image here. So once you click on browse, you are going to select your image. So let me go to downloads, and then here this is the image. So you click on open, and the image is going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, your image minimum dimension must be 640 by 290 pixels. So the image is not up to the requirement, so we are going to change another image. So I'm going to do that for you to see. So let me go to pictures, and right here I'm going to select an image. So I'm going to select this image. So as you can see, this image has met the requirement, so I'm going to use this one for you to see. You can see this particular image. So once you have your image, you can upload several of them. So I'm going to add another image so that our post can look nice. So I'm just going to click on this page. Once you click on it, you are going to go to downloads. Once you come to downloads, you are just going to select the image, click on open, and you see the image here. So as you can see, so you can add as many images that you want. Now that we have our image, the next thing is that you are going to click on next so that you can proceed to the next step. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. So what you need to do is that you are going to enter the title of your article here, and then the body of the article you are going to copy and paste it here. As I scroll, you can see the rest of the details that you need to enter. So what you are going to do is that we are going to copy the title of the article. So you just come to inside and then copy the title. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your post and then paste it here. So once that is done, you are going to also copy and paste the body here. So you come back to Ensign articles, and what you are going to do is that, so you are going to copy everything. You are going to copy the body of the article. So copy everything right here. So once you copy it, you are going to come back to your post and then paste it here. So as you can see, this is the article source from Ensign articles. So now what you are going to do is that we are going to insert our affiliate link in this particular article so that we can get people to purchase the product. So the next thing is that you are going to type a call to action here so that when people read this article, they can click through your affiliate link and then make a purchase of the product. So you are going to write a call to action like click here to get weight loss resource. As you can see, this is the call to action. Click here to get weight loss resources. Once you have your call to action, the next thing is that you are going to copy and paste your affiliate link here. So you are going to come back to Clickbank. Once you come back to Clickbank, you are going to click on promote so that you can get your unique affiliate link. So once you click on promote, you are going to type your nickname here. Once you type your nickname, just click on generate hop link so that you can generate your unique affiliate link. So as you can see, this is my unique affiliate link. So anytime people purchase the product through this link, I'm going to be earning a commission. So you need to take note of that. So what you need to do is that you're going to come here, click on this box so that you can copy your affiliate link onto your clipboard. So once this is done, you are going to shorten the link. So you are going to come to bit.ly. Once you come to bit.ly, you are going to paste your affiliate link. So once you paste your link here, you're going to click on shorten so that you can get a shortened link. As you can see, the link has been shortened. So the next thing is that you are going to click on copy so that you can copy the link to your clipboard. So once you have the link, you are going to come back to your post, and here you are going to paste the link right here. Once you paste the link, the next thing is that you are going to continue with the rest of the details. So here you are going to add tags so that people can find your article on this website. So here you are going to add some tags. So let's type something like weight loss. So the next thing is that weight loss tips. The next thing is that lose weight. You can add lose belly fat. Oh, okay, belly fat. So here you are going to enter weight loss diet. So you can enter different tags here so that your article can be found on this website. Once you enter the tags, the next thing is that you are going to select the category of your article. So you are going to click on category. Once you click on categories, you are going to scroll down, as you can see. So what you are going to do is that you're going to select food. So you just select that. So as you can see, food here, you can add many categories. So let's scroll down and then select another category. So as you can see, so we are going to select people. So as you can see, that is done. So the next thing is that we are going to now select this image as our featured image. To select the image, you are going to just click on the star. So that means you have selected this image as your featured image. So you are going to just click here. So once you click on it, this image will be featured in our article. So as you can see, that is done. So let me scroll downwards for you to see. So that is done. So the next thing is that you are going to click on next so that your article can be published. As you can see, this is the article. So you are going to scroll down to see how your article looks like. So as you can see it right here, so you can see your affiliate link right here. You can see your featured image. So as I scroll, you can see. So the next thing is that you are going to click on finish so that your article can be published on this particular website. So as you can see, thank you for your submission. Our editor will review it shortly. The editors are going to review the article and then post it onto this website so that you can get traffic to your affiliate links. So what you are going to do is that you are going to be publishing many articles on this website so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate links on Clickbank or any affiliate network that you have joined. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.